This is Paul. Just get me the actual credentials of all of those. Yeah. That are employees of all the forms of government and their signatures. Yeah. Now, there's what's known as steam, water in the form of an invisible gas or vapor. Mhm. Water changed to this form by boiling, extensively used for generation of mechanical power. Yeah. Mhm. Heating purposes, etc. The mist formed when the gas or vapor from boiling water condenses in the air. Yeah. And exhalation. Yeah. Colloquially, power or energy to emit or give off steam or vapor. To rise or pass off in the form of steam as vapor. To rise or pass off in the form of steam as vapor. Yes. Covered with condensed steam as a surface. Oh, wouldn't that be something? I think it would be really nice to have it as a service. Well, let's say you did. Yes, I could produce some steam. Yeah. I took some salt water, heated it up to 2,500 degrees, and didn't allow it to actually be released. It's a kind of container that is used to hold steam, made out of recycled garbage at 3,000 degrees so that the actual material doesn't melt. I create a surface, yeah, out of steam because of my ability to condense it in a closed space. Now, if I had a million gallons of salt water, yeah, I heat it up to 2,500 degrees and I obligate it to go into a fixed space, yeah, so that it goes into this, well, it's kind of a thin box, really, yeah, where it continues to steam and it has to go out because of the pressure of it, yeah. How much pressure of actual steam could I hold? Yeah, where it's insulated and it would not diminish in temperature for what could be weeks. Now, it seems like a dumb question, considering the condensed steam in that actual fixed amount of space in that box itself. Yeah, approximately 6 inches in height. Yeah, and let's say 50 feet in length. Yeah, completely enclosed and unable to melt the surrounding 6 inch walls on the left and right side. Yeah, 50 feet on the bottom and the top. Yeah, and then once it's in there, yes, pressurized. Yeah, so the steam itself could no longer put any more of itself in that actual box. I could seal it and set it aside. Now, I'm going to need to know the amount of condensed steam that I can fit into a fixed area using any of my intellectual property. Now, what would be the purpose of condensing steam at those temperatures with that amount of pressure? Well, what if I put electricity through it? What would happen? Now, it doesn't seem to make any sense at all. But the condensing of steam because of the pressurization at 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, I would think there would be an immense amount of pressure in that actual structure. Right. Now, if I put electricity from one side to the other, would it conduct? Which would it condense? Yeah. Would it filter? Which would it cause an efficiency? Yep. In the actual grid of the electricity that I'm going to be manufacturing. Now, this is a dumb question. What is the actual amount of condensed steam available based upon the pressurization of the container that holds the steam? Yeah. Now, I can make that recycled garbage out of 5,000 degree recycled garbage. Yeah. I could form it so that it hardens in a super dense superstructure. Yeah. I can make that steam heat up to 5,000 right now.